Steve. Yeah, sorry, man. I couldn't really talk last time. Yeah, at work. Crazy day. Yep. Well, I am proud of you checking out the live. Did you get in the way? No. Did you interrupt? No? Okay. Good job, man. Good job. Oh, you do have concern? She's looking into treadmills. You like to run, Steve? Yeah, not many people do. Okay. Yeah, man. Good luck with that. Maybe try to talk her out of the treadmill. Oh, you didn't see that live. Yeah. Yeah, just running. Yeah, like run BTS. Like, yeah, more running. Lots of running involved. One other question. What's up? You have a black cake in your fridge. Okay. That is probably for JK's birthday? Okay, so this is what they do. Okay, Army. They make a cake without the person there. They might make a meal. My wife made a Asian food meal to celebrate their contract renewal. Oh, she's never made you a cake. Yeah, that's part of it. My wife never made Asian food before that time. Listen, man, this is part of Army husband life. Sometimes BTS gets what we don't. Just look at the positive. You get cake. You don't know how to sing happy birthday in Korean. That's okay, man. Nobody's going to judge you for that. Enjoy the cake. Be prepared. Lots more coming. All right, later.